So here are my questions that I've put together myself. Um, after tutoring over 200 students, I'm still working on adding some additional questions here, along with my new study guide that's going to come out soon. I'll keep you updated with that. But these codes, they will expire on August the 31st, 2025. So make sure you haven't liked and subscribed and hit the notification. Please support the channel so that I can continue to support other people like I've helped you. And I hope that I have done that. But overall, happy studying. So for the join codes for the Wayground app, I have added these subjects here, but I'm going to add more. Some of the questions, I believe, for research, I believe, actually was repeating the same correct answer, and some of those other subjects were. So I will be fixing that, and then I will add them later on here. But please let me know if you see that repetitiveness for the answer choice, because I want to make it um, not repetitive, clearly, but I also want to make sure that you are being challenged. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions about these uh Wayground codes. I was about to say quiz, but just let me know in the comments and then I will reach out to you. So happy studying.